Hi, Namaste. How builder need to select lights for their buildings? The first one they need to discuss always about low maintenance light. Suppose if you are importing a metal from China, there is a problem. For the one problem is you purchase with the low price, because of that illumination will be less, and the second one is driver efficiency will be less. Third one is the plastic maybe comes. Because of the three factors, the light will fail you regularly. To avoid that, we need to use high-end aluminum casting. Then driver efficiency should be more than 90%. The illumination should be more than 120. These three factors very important when you are selecting a lights for low maintenance. The second one is less power bill should be there, because it is a big building. We should have a less power bill. So how we get the less power bill? So if you are using the high efficiency driver, the power will be less in first space. Then second one, if the building is having a more area, we should use the sensors. If we are using a corridor sensors, the light will comes when our person comes, or we can arrange a 25%. In the washroom areas, we can use a motion sensor so that it will protect the another 50% of the supply power bill. Then coming to the outdoor area, you can have a timer. It will on in the 6 o'clock. It will off automatically in the morning. And in parking, especially car parking area, we can have a microwave sensor so that it protects the more usage of the power. So these factors are very important when you are selecting a light for uh, less power bills. Third one is, if it is a outdoor, we need to have a powder coated or GI poles for the area. Suppose it's a coastal area, we should perfectly have a GI based poles or powder coated material for the building. What happened if you are using a normal MS painted, it may rust within 2 years. Because of that, so cost of the building will be, cost of the budget will be more. The next point, you need to select the lights based on the illumination. If you are not selecting the based on the illumination, suppose if you are selecting the only wattage, so poor illumination will be there. Because of that, accident may occur. If we don't have a protection like isolated drivers in the light, it may shock people also. So we saw one example in the Medipatnam. One child went and touched the pole. He was dead, shot dead in that place, because they used a non-isolated driver. Because of that, it is power went to the pole and he passed away. So to avoid that one, we need to have a more protection in the light when neutral cut. So if you use the isolated driver, it will protect. The second one, we should have a high illumination LED light so that it gives the more uniform lighting across the area. The last one, it should be have a aesthetic look and feel. So if you have a poor look, so customer will not satisfy. Because of that, the building value may be reduced. To avoid that, we need to use the more aesthetic lights. So if you are thinking these 5 points, so definitely your building value will be increases. So because of that, more customer will come. So they'll also give the reference for you. So discuss 5 points when you are purchasing a LED light. So if you want those solutions, GLOLED is providing those solutions. You can check in online, or you can call our customer consultant. They will also explain. GLOLED also has 17 outlets across AP and Telangana. So you can see the all the outlets. In Hyderabad, we have a 6 outlets. In AP Telangana, we have remaining outlets. We are waiting. If you have a building constructing now, just call GLOLED 955 355 0700 or visit shop.glowed.co. Thank you very much.